If you're looking to lead a more all-natural lifestyle, then why not consider growing your own mint? Now, before you get started, you should know that wherever you plant mint, you better decide on that really well beforehand because it's really hard to get rid of. Once you put it in place, it's going to keep popping up year after year. Now you might be asking yourself, what could I possibly do with mint all the time, all year round? Well, there's a few things. The first, of course, and the most obvious, is that you can put mint as a seasoning on things or especially in tea. Yes, it's really easy to brew your own peppermint tea with a few dried peppermint leaves. Another idea that you could do with your mint is to take your dried mint and then use it as chewing gum. Yes, chewing gum. If you just take a small wad of this peppermint that's been dried for about 2 weeks, it's the perfect consistency to chew and chew and chew, freshening your breath and giving you that great chewing sensation. After about 20 or 30 minutes, all the peppermint will have dissolved down into your digestive tract. And then, if you have any smells coming up from there, they'll be sweetened. It's really easy to dry out your peppermint for either tea or chewing gum. All you have to do is take some of your fresh mint and then lay it over a hanger. I like the kind of hangers where you can kind of lock them in place like this. Then after about a week or two, you've got dried peppermint. Isn't it beautiful? So consider choosing peppermint today. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.